Hey, roll up. I'm ready, I was born ready. I'm ready, I was born ready. I'm ready, I was born ready. Roll up. I'm ready, I was born ready. I'm ready, I was born.
Welcome back to Germany for another booth tour here at IFA, and this is ECOVACS. And to help me out with this booth tour, I've got Karen Powell from ECOVACS Australia, and the new flagship does something special.
So with IFA, we're really excited that we've announced the DEEBOT X11 Cyclone. It's our most premium and fantastic robotic vacuum that we've ever brought to market for Australians. What's really exciting is that it has a perpetual runtime, so you never need to worry about the battery running down. When it goes back to its station to have its mob washed or to enter the dustbin, it's sitting there for 3 minutes, having like a little pit stop, and at that moment in time, it's getting 6% additional charge onto the battery, so it can continue carrying on afterwards and cleaning. Your house could be 500 meters squared in size or 1,000 meters squared in size, it doesn't matter. It will never actually run out of charge. So you can have it on maximum suction power, keep it mopping as heavy as you want, use all the features and functionalities and never worry about having to compromise on the battery. It's a world first.
The beauty of this system is, despite the aggressive recharging of the battery, you should have no problems with the longevity of your device. And there's another big change for the flagship. ECOVACS expanding its bagless range.
We've gone bagless for a number of reasons. One of them is it's a really, really good environmental story, and for customers as well. They now no longer need to buy replacement dust bags. So that's great for the environment, and it really helps to keep the costs down of ongoing maintenance of the product as well. With the Cyclone functionality, which actually is extracting the dust from the dustbin, it doesn't degrade over time. You get really, really strong suction. So even if it's running for a few years, it will still suck the dust out as effectively as it did the first day that you bought it.
And this is the beauty of shows like IFA, because you get to see cutaways of machines in action. You can see the underside of the robot vacuum working, and it's great to see the rolling bar with the suction and the soft roller at the back, which mops the floor. This mop is getting cleaned as it rolls along the floor, and that means you're not putting any more dirty water back on the floor. Great demo.
So the mopping functionality is even surpassed from previously. It's got the OSMO Roller 2.0. That means that you've got fresh water on a fantastic roller system that's spinning around 200 revs per minute, pushing down really hard to pick up all the stains and to leave your floors beautifully mopped. That mop also extends out to about 15 millimeters, and so it gets to all of your edges beautifully and not leave anything.
Of course, there is a lot more to the IFA display than the flagship model. There's a stack of robot vacs that will suit any environment. Big house, small house, all carpet, no carpet, or a mixture of both. And of course, colors can be changed, and they can be very cute as well.
So we're also at the booth as well at IFA. We're showcasing a range of robotic lawnmowers. ECOVACS stands for, our mission is robotics for all. And we've got fantastic, market leadership in terms of robotic vacuums, but equally, people want help with robots. We know over 89% of Australian consumers are willing to embrace robots in or outside of their home if it's going to save them time and take those mundane chores off their hands. So the goats and a range of goats that can cut grass is there, and we have a beautiful array of window cleaning robots as well that can take the painful getting smears and mess off of your windows away. So we're going off the floors and climbing up on glass as well.
And you might have noticed in the background that Tineco was actually part of the ECOVACS booth, and there were some great demonstrations there. I asked them to do a couple for me, and they look great with the Floor 1 S series. So if you don't mind a bit of manual labour, and I'm not talking about much effort to push these wet dry vacs across the floor, because they do a great job. It's impressive. Interested in your thoughts in the comments below. Will you stick with ECOVACS, which doesn't have all the gimmicks, but they're reliable? I guess they're like the Toyota of robot vacuums. What do you think? I'll see you in the next review and in the next booth tour here on Image Matrix Tech.
Hey.